morning, namaste, sat sri akal. Welcome back to Bawas on Vacation. Today we'll be sharing our PR journey in this video. If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe this channel because काफ़ी ज़्यादा efforts लगते हैं ऐसी videos बनाने में और आज हम अपनी PR journey share करेंगे. वैसे हम थोड़े travel और lifestyle vlogs बनाते हैं, but this video is specially for our viewers who had demanded our PR story. So we started this process in the beginning of 2020 जहाँ से हमने IELTS और ECA से शुरुआत की. So basically ECA is Education Credential Assessment of your Indian education to be considered equivalent to Canadian education and this is a mandatory step to be done. आप अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी में जाके अप्लाई करते हो so that they can send your transcripts and other documents to an institute in Canada. It could be WES, IQAS, CES जो भी आपने चूज़ किया है. And once this gets verified there, you are given an ECA report which is valid for next 5 years. So this process is generally time taking and for us it took around 1 to 2 months. We had chosen WES which was pretty fast. And for me, it was a BTech degree from Kurukshetra University and for Devinder, it was a BTech degree from PTU. अब meanwhile जब ECA का process हो रहा था तो हमने IELTS exam apply कर दिया which was a pen and paper based and guess what, after a preparation of just 10 to 15 days we were able to score 8777 above. So after completing ECA and IELTS हमने एक profile बनाई for express entry and we entered the pool. It was around April 2020 and our score at that time was just 435. After that, pandemic hit so badly that there was no progress on the profile and we were just there in the pool. अब हमें ये तो पता था that considering the current situation, 435 is not a good score. So I had applied for 1 year distance education which was for PGDCA and मैंने ये अपनी education LPU से की. अब मैंने दिसंबर 2019 में ही ऑलरेडी इस कोर्स के लिए एनरोल कर लिया था एंड आफ्टर 1 year of education that is in December 2020 my results came. Now we were eager to get an ECA report for this education so we waited for the degree to be awarded. अब LPU से जो मैंने डिस्टेंस एजुकेशन की थी it was not certified by WES so we chose CES to get our ECA done. But CES is way much slower than WES and it took us around 6 to 7 months just to get an ECA report. Now let's fast forward to June 2021 where we welcomed our baby Aviraj. So here's a special tip for all of you. अगर आपका कोई भी plan है which is a life-changing event or a personal plan like getting married or planning a baby then please don't delay it because of immigration. So सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि IRCC भी ऐसे life-changing events को value करती है and you can make the changes in your profile at any time during processing. In September 2021, I got my credentials for the postgraduate diploma as well and till now there was no progress on the profile. अब since आप 1 साल के बाद तो pool से भी बाहर हो जाते हो so we were required to create a new profile for express entry. So we were eager to do this because we had to declare our baby as dependent also and then we declared our new education. So our score at this point was 465. अब इस टाइम पे IRCC ने दोबारा से ड्रॉज कंडक्ट करने स्टार्ट कर दिए थे बट इट वाज जस्ट फॉर द PNP कैंडिडेट्स. So on October 27, 2021, Ontario conducted a big track draw जिसमें कि comprehensive ranking system जो consider हुआ था it was in range 455 to 467. So इस draw में Ontario ने 6 knockouts consider किए थे which fall under the category of computer programmers and software developers. So both of us have an IT background. Devinder is a principal software engineer and I am a lead software developer from past 10 and 8 years respectively and we were lucky enough to be selected in this draw. अब expression of interest तो आ गया, उसको OK भी कर दिया but we had just 60 days to apply for this PNP and get those 600 points. And we were rushing because अबू का तो अभी तक हमने पासपोर्ट भी नहीं बनवाया था. So it took us around 45 to 50 days to get all those documents ready, which includes your personal finance documents and the reference letter from all of the employers. So there's a lot of documentation that needs to be done. So in December 2021, we had applied for the PNP and in February 2022, we received those 600 points and now at this time, our express entry scores went from 465 to 1065. In mid-February, next express entry draws के through हमारी profile pick हो गई and now we were required to submit the documentation for express entry. So our next challenge was that our IELTS score validity was going to expire, so I had to give IELTS exam again, and this time with almost no preparation I got a good score again. अब जब आप PR एप्लीकेशन के लिए सारी डॉक्यूमेंटेशन रेडी कर रहे होते हो, टू मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट स्टेप्स आर टू गेट योर PCC एंड मेडिकल्स डन. सो PCC और मेडिकल होने में कई बारी ज़्यादा टाइम भी लग जाता है, सो वी रिकमेंड कि जैसे ही आपको ITA आए आप इन दोनों की अपॉइंटमेंट ज़रूर ले लें. सो अप्रैल फर्स्ट वीक में हम तीनों का मेडिकल भी हो गया और PCC की रिपोर्ट भी आ गई, विच वॉज जस्ट फॉर दविंदर एंड मी. अराउंड मिड अप्रैल में हमने अपनी एप्लीकेशन सबमिट कर दी विद ऑल ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंटेशंस दैट वर रिक्वायर्ड. In the first week of June, we received a biometric request for both of us और इसके लिए हमने VFS पे अपनी अपॉइंटमेंट बुक की. So for Aviraj, both PCC and biometrics was not required, only medicals had to be done for him. So once VFS submitted our biometrics further, this is done generally for criminality check and 1-2 दिन में ये आपकी प्रोफाइल पे भी विजिबल होना शुरू हो जाता है. इसके अराउंड 1 महीने के बाद the application was updated and status of medical was changed to passed. So exactly after 5 months of application submission, that is in September 2022, we received the golden email और इसमें ऐसा मेंशन था कि हमें अपने पासपोर्ट्स वीज़ा स्टैंपिंग के लिए VFS पे सबमिट करने होंगे. So once we got our passport stamps, we moved to Canada in October 2022. इस पूरे PR के प्रोसेस को हमने end to end खुद से किया and we did not involve any agent or any expert guidance. The process of PNP as well as express entry is pretty straightforward. Thank you so much for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel. If you want कि हम ऐसी immigration related videos आगे भी बनाते रहें तो please comment in the comment section below. All the best to all of you. Thank you. Bye bye.